never find us in here.
Ready or not, here I come!
This is a test of the emergency alert system.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. It'll quickly warn you if the emergencies are being tested. If this was a real emergency, such as a hurricane, flood, or tornado, the official messages wouldn't follow the alert tone. Frankie and Sonic Network serves the California area. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.